So your notes page 13. So at the bottom, it helps you to have a very quick summary on what you learned in equation of straight line. So in order to find the x-intercept and y-intercept in the equation of straight line, I asked you to substitute y equals to 0 or x equals to 0. Okay, so very similar to circle. Okay, if you want to see whether the circle cuts the x-axis or the y-axis, if you want to find out the intersection point, then again you should use the same skills, x-intercept and also the y-intercept. OK， 咁唯獨是有一啲唔同嘅地方咧，就係喺一條 straight line 嗰度咧。如果佢唔係一條 vertical line，唔係一條 horizontal line 啦，佢係一條斜線的話咧，咁佢一定會有 x-intercept， 一定會有 y-intercept 嘅。咁所以咧，如果佢唔係直線或者橫線，佢係一條斜線的話咧，你就一定會揾到佢個 intercept point。咁但係 circle 咧有少少唔同啦 ，circle 咧佢只係一個圓形，咁佢呢個圓形佢放喺邊個位置咧，就其實決定到佢究竟會唔會計到有 x-intercept 或者係 y-intercept， 佢有機會係掂唔到嘅。咁所以咧你計嘅答案咧就同你嗰個 straight line 咧有少少唔同，你未必會揾到嘅。OK， 如果你撳 calculator 咧遇到 math error 咧，咁即係代表佢係冇掂到嗰個 axis 啦。咁如果你撳到佢得一個 point 嘅話，咁即係佢係 touches 啦。OK， 如果佢咧係計到兩個 point 嘅，咁即係代表佢 cut 咗嗰條 axis 咧兩次。OK， 咁呢個咧就係同 straight line 有少少唔同嘅地方。OK，so this is page 13. Okay, now so your notes page 14. Okay, so let's look at the questions together. So in the figures, okay, it shows a circle, and then given, okay, the equation is given, and then the circle cuts point AB. Okay, so it is on the graph already, and then the positive y-axis as point C. Okay. So part A, the question asks you to find out point A, B, C. So I've just mentioned that, okay, I've just mentioned that if you want to find out the coordinates of these points, okay, it's very similar to what you learn in the straight line. Okay, so if you want to find out, the point C, okay, you sub x equals to 0. If you want to find out AB, then you sub y equals to 0. So I sub x equals to 0 first. Okay, so here would be 0 squared plus y squared minus 3 times 0 minus 7y minus 18 equals to 0. So would be y squared minus 7y minus 18. So I press my calculator. So here would be 1, negative 7, negative 18. So I will get 9 and negative 2. So it means that this one is negative 2, this one is 9. Okay, so again, I have to sub y equals to 0 this time. So it would be x squared plus 0 squared minus 3x minus 7 times 0 minus 18 equals to 0. So which will give you x squared minus 3x minus 18 equals to 0. So again, I use my calculator. So it will be 6 and negative 3. So x equals to 6 or negative 3. So that means this one is negative 3, this one is 6. So I can draw the conclusion. So point A would be negative 3, 0. Point B would be 6, 0. And then point C would be 0, 9. Okay, so this is part A. And then for part B. So part B, the question asks you to find out the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. So if I copy the questions here, So this point is point A, this point is point B. Okay. So point A here would be -3, 0. Point B would be 6, 0. And then if I want to find out the perpendicular bisector, first of all, I have to find out this point, the midpoint. So it will be -3 plus 6 divided by 2, 0 plus 0 divided by 2. So which will give you 3/2 and then 0. And then, okay, this one is the horizontal line. 咁我唔使計佢個 slope 啦，因為呢個嘅 slope 咧係0啦，而個 slope 係0啦。OK， 咁如果個 vertical line 咧個 slope 咧就係 undefined 啦。咁由於佢唔係一條 straight line 啊，咁你唔使唔係一條 straight line， 即係佢唔係一條斜線啊。OK， 咁所以咧呢條係一條 vertical line 咧，即係佢係 y 等於 something 啦。OK， 咁所以咧就唔需要再計啦。So the equation of the perpendicular bisector of A and B is y equals to， 記住直線咧係橫線係 y 等於一個數字啦，直線咧 vertical line 呢條咧係 x 等於 OK， 咁呢個 point 咧係 3/2， 咁即係代表咧佢係 3/2 啦。OK， 咁我就做完 part B。OK， and then finally for part C，part C 咧就叫我咧係要求個coordinates of the centre。咁我就諗一諗先。Okay, so the coordinate of the centre。咁由於咧佢其實都街住你做㗎啦，咁perpendicular bisector， 咁呢一條線有咩特性咧？咁如果你有印象咧，就係如果佢係一條 chord 啦 ，AB 係一條 chord 嚟嘅，而咁啱咧呢度又係90度，呢度又係 equal 嘅話咧，咁即係代表呢條線咧 must pass through the centre。OK， 咁呢個 reason 咧喺 notes 頭先你之前咧其實都用過㗎啦。咁我希望你有少少印象啦。咁如果冇嘅話咧唔緊要嘅，你都係睇翻嗰個 T shape 嗰版嘅 reason。OK，T shape 嗰版嘅 reason 裏邊咧係有嘅。咁所以咧我就寫低咯喎。OK，so I can let maybe I will just write down one sentence to explain why. So the center passes through the equation of the perpendicular bisector of A and B. The reason is perpendicular bisector of chord passes through center. Okay, so therefore I can let the center be OK 咁佢咧如果係呢條線係 passes through 個 centre， 即係個 centre 係喺呢個位置嘅話咧，咁佢即係話佢個 x coordinate 同佢會一樣咯。咁佢個 y coordinate 咧就唔知嘅，咁我就叻翻去做 k 啦。OK， 咁同樣地咧就係佢有 point A 啦，有 point B 啦，有 point C 啦，有3個 point 咧係俾咗你嘅，咁你就可以用 radius 嘅方法 ，OK， 又係用 radius 嘅方法去計啦，咁又用翻同一個 skills 啦。Okay, so 3/2 plus 3 square plus k minus 0 square. Okay, would be equals to 3 over 2， 今次用09呢個 point 啦 ，minus 0 square plus k minus 9 square. Okay, so I need my calculator. So both sides you have the square root, that means you can cancel out. And then this one you will get 2.25 plus k squared minus 18k plus 81. So both sides you have k squared, you can cancel out. And then you have 18k, you put it to right hand side. So 2.25 plus 81 minus 20.25. So you will have 63 divided by 18. So you will get k equals to 3.5. Okay, so therefore the center would be 3 over 2 and then 3.5. 如果我用開份數呢，我就用翻份數啦。OK， 費事一個份數一個小數咁肉酸。OK， so this is your notes page 14.